Kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo uronania uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia hari mbeu njithi ni ukoretwo wongererekete na gikiro kinene na muno mathukuru-ini, undu uria ukoretwo hotometie miturire na miikariri ya mbeu njithi. Tariki 26 mweri uyu niguo ukungwiri wa muthi wa kurana na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia thiini wa thi, kuria kaunti-ini ya Mombatha mbeu njithi mambiriirie kwihariria na mithako ngurani hari ukungwiri wa muthi uyu mwena uyu. Kuringana na muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ndawa cia kurebia mwena uyu Julius Ayubu, makiria ma andu milioni 3.2 guothe bururi-ini nio mahotereirio ni uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia na banene ari mbeu njithi aria mari mathukuru-ini ma university.
Right now we are looking at 12.2% of the total population, just about 3.2 million of people who are addicted. The other one that we are working on is the numbers, statistics for the schools. And I can only say for now, before we release the numbers, that it's not looking good. It's not very good, especially in our schools. And we are calling everybody. Ile tunaita hashtag tuwajibike sisi zote, ili tuweze kushirikiana kupigana na hili janga.
Mwena-ini wake mutafania wa mihango ya nakada mwena wa gicua-ini Bernard Leparamai oigite thirikari ni irumite kini kurua na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia na muno makiria kwitana na aria othe makoretwo makiendia ndawa ici kuri muingi.
We know that the areas like Bamburi, ikifika usiku, everybody is selling drugs. It's a small area where people sell drugs during the night. But what we are going to do is that we are not only going to look for those ones who consume, who partake the drugs. We will go backward. We will follow the trails to know which chemist, which individual are the retailers and those ones who are selling these drugs.
Ona kuhana uguo atongoria ni moretie anyiti itemi othe hari kurana na uhuthiri wa ndawa cia kurebia manirire king'ang'a-ini aria othe makuruhanitio na wendia wa ndawa ici niguo makinyukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.